Hey guys, this is the Yeahome staple gun that I bought on Amazon. So some of these staples got jammed here, so I can't press this anymore. This is not working. So the best way to remove the staples from when they get jammed is like you have these screws, right? So basically pretty much you have a clip like this here. So with a small screwdriver, take it off and remove this screw from here. So once it removes, right, so pull it off. So remove that and remove the screw here, right? It will come like this. So this is the screw, right? Now I have freed this part. So what you do is just put your screwdriver here and let me try doing that. See guys, so this came up like this. So you clean up all the staples that you have stuck here. Then again, I had these staples got stuck, so pretty much you put it there and press it back again, and then put the screw again here back into the place. That's it, you're done. And then put this small clip there, and then you should be ready to go. It started working. That's all guys, it's very simple.